So as you can see, when I double tap on my forward key, then my character will start sprinting automatically. I don't have to hold any of the button. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off auto sprint in Battlefield 6. So first of all, pause your game, then go into settings, then we need to go to the gameplay tab. Under it, go to hold/toggle, and inside this setting, we'll find the option of double tap forward to sprint. If it is set to auto sprint, then we just have to double tap on our forward key, which can be W on your keyboard or the up on your joystick. So if you wanna disable it, then just turn it to off. But if you wanna have it for your sprint, then just set it to sprint. In that case, you just have to double tap, and if you hold that button, then your character will sprint, but it is not automatic. If you want automatic sprint, then set it to auto sprint, and then you just have to double tap on your forward key like this, and then your character will start sprinting on its own. So this is the entire process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.